This episode it's called Spend the Day with Me.
Okay.
So that's why I'm just following you around. That's the 73 questions for Vogue magazines.
Okay. Well, first of all, let me say I'm so surprised that you're here and you're asking me these questions. I totally was not expecting this.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, hold on. Usually they offer you something to drink.
Oh yeah, would you like some water? Because that's all there is to drink.
So I followed you mounting your barbecue.
Right. No, it's just a weird one that has a hole underneath.
I followed you cleaning your yard.
Yes.
This is another trip to the recycling pole.
What happens is I'm stepping on them as I'm pulling weeds, and it's just easier to.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Oh, the tiles you went over there?
Well, I'm just
Well, it
saying
doesn't
that they're
matter
in my
no
way.
No matter where. Any pile is fine. I'm gonna bag it all anyway. Well, it's inside. Oh. Was that ours?
Yeah. The babies. Nathan found 2 baby mice. You should put them far before our cat finds them.
Yeah, we're gonna give him a safe haven.
Oh yeah. You sure it's mice?
Yeah, what else do you think of it?
Oh, they probably can't stand the light, Nathan.
Okay, so we're clearing this out. It overgrew with vines and bushes and weeds. We're clearing that all out, and then we're gonna make this wall, the part of the wall that remains, fall over, so we can rebuild a nice cinder block wall and then put stones in front of it.
The goal is to rebuild at least one of the garages to be able to store our material too.
Should I try to push it from the top just for fun?
Yeah? Oh yeah, it's moving, Nathan.
Want me to do it?
Yeah?
And that's why we want to rebuild.
Yeah. How is your pool water going?
We finally recovered it, so I'm happy.
You happy? This was supposed to be a temporary refreshing area during renovation.
Yes.
Turned out to be our forever pool.
Yeah.
What did I offer you?
This right here, an inflatable cornhole set. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, and I also got you a real cornhole set,
Yes, you did.
printed for your birthday. Wow, Nate. Like 20% is gone.
Yeah, I can't believe we can see the stones again.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get this little wall, final last push, knock it over.
So this is getting cleaned. We clean a bit, Nathan tackles the walls. We clean a bit, Nathan tackles the walls. So Nathan, what
Yeah.
are you inside?
Our old dependency that fell.
It's obviously a garage. So it totally fell.
These are the old joists, and then that tree, full tree is the beam. Let's do that. I got it.
Got it.
Oh no, should I push it more forward?
Oh, there must be a hedgehog, Scott.
Hedgehog?
Yes.
Alive or dead?
I don't know, they act like they're dead. Nathan, you need to move it in some bush.
Oh.
But you carry it? My mom took one to my place once.
Oh, okay, you just hold it.
But use the dustpan. Oh. Watch out to the face, that's it. Poor baby is afraid. We found a hedgehog. We're gonna move it to some cute bush. Go ahead, Nathan.
Should I just put them in the rock pile?
No.
No.
I would see in some bush in the back so it can live in it. They like bushes.
Not more to do.
Wow.
This one come down.
Oh. Yeah, that's nailed though, right?
Bottom side. Okay, watch out.
And Nathan, you had also received like something you were waiting for.
Yes, I did.
What did you receive?
Washers.
Washers. So you worked on that too.
Yep. Okay, so now we're downstairs underneath the top floor, and we're taking apart these bolts that we put in place with these nuts. We temporarily installed it like this because we did not yet have the washers, but now that I have the washers, I'm going to go ahead and put those in place.
Nathan,
Yes.
I'm sorry, but you are still missing something.
What's that?
The tool to screw them.
I have an adjustable wrench. The socket wrench sizes I have are too small, so you make do.
Nathan, I don't see you tightening a lot.
I tightened it pretty hard, but you don't want to crush the wood all the way either. For now, we have stones supporting the beams, and once I mortar those stones into place so they don't move, then I'll remove the acro props.
It's going pretty fast.
It's a pretty easy job. All done.
4 beams are bolted together well.
Okay, so we're all good now. We've changed all the bad joists here, the bad subfloor, and we've added a support beam, transversal support beam, to protect against deflection in the center of these long joists. We're good to go. We're good to mount ourselves a closet.
And what about my closet that I feel like I'm never gonna have at this point? It's a dream. What about it?
I got all the material from the store for your closet. Some assembly required. Box of goodies.
Hold on. Are you actually gonna work on my closet?
If I have to, I will. Oh, that's Russ. Alright, so I'm taking some of these cement bags that we had lying around the house to use as a counterbalance so the wood doesn't fly out the back of the trunk once we hit a bump.